Here is how we can stop the iPhone photos from going to the Google Photos. So let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So of course you have the Google Photos app, so we need to get inside to make any changes to it. And then now we're just going to click on the profile picture in at the top right. So this section pulls up, and as you can see, we can swipe up and click on Google Photos settings as such, and then literally the first thing is backup. So as you can see, it's currently turned on and it is taking up more and more storage right now. So if we want to disconnect it, then we can disable the backup, and it means that it is no longer going to be automatically going to the Google Photos, right? So with the backup turned off, we can still browse our local photos in the Google Photos app, but it's not automatically being backed up and sent over to the cloud for it to be stored there. Right, so that's something you can do. But outside of that, the next step, if you completely want to disconnect it, would be by going to the settings, finding the apps at the bottom, and choosing the Google Photos in there. And there is the Photos access, so you can switch it from full access to none, and that means that literally Google Photos will not have access to anything. So if I come back right now, you can see that literally nothing is showing up because I disconnected it fully, and it's just something that is no longer part of my Google Photos. So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.